spend some time talking about the global life science trends looking at 2025 and beyond. We believe the pharma industry also is an inflection point. Our clients are navigating headwinds on patent cliffs, pricing pressures, evolving regulatory landscapes, and a bunch of other things in this very complex environment we live in. The healthcare landscape also is increasingly complex. But the good news is that 70 new drugs are expected to be launched over the next 1 to 2 years. Launch success remains priority for pharmaceutical companies. However, when you're launching your products in these environments, traditional go-to-market models are proving to be less effective due to evolving preferences of HCPs, a lot of the pressures I spoke about earlier. The HCPs are increasingly favoring a hybrid approach. The integration of digital marketing channels with traditional sales approach is becoming crucial for enhancing reach and effectiveness. Amidst all this, the need to streamline processes, improve efficiency, and personalize patient care remains constant. As a result, more and more life science companies are increasingly turning to specialized providers like Indegene to help them navigate this new market dynamic. Given our size in this very large industry and our very strong position in terms of client base and capabilities, we believe there is a significant growth opportunities for us. We are looking at this as a decadal opportunity. With that, I have to put a caveat. This is a highly regulated and conservative industry, so it takes time to adopt new methods. FY 24-25. With that, let me move to some of the summarizing the last financial year. FY 2024-25 was a year of strong performance and strategic progress. We achieved INR 28,393 million in revenues, which was a 9.6% year-on-year growth in rupee terms. Our USD revenues were 335.7. The growth was driven mainly by customers outside of the top 20. We grew our active accounts from 63 to 73. 63 was in FY24 and 73 is how we have closed FY25. We grew our USD 1 million customers from 35 to 41. Our EBITDA stood at INR 5622 million and PAT grew by 20.8%, reaching INR 4067 million. I'm also very happy to announce we are announcing our first maiden dividend while continuing our relentless focus on finding value-accretive acquisitions, reflecting our commitment to a prudent capital allocation. These numbers are not just a milestone, these are a testament to the strong demand for deep expertise-led life sciences contextualized offerings and to the talented team that is bringing these offering solutions to life. Overall, we have clocked consistent growth across our business segments. Our established businesses, which are enterprise commercial solutions and enterprise medical solutions, grew by 12.2% to INR 23,896 million. This is approximately 84.2% of our business. Our omnichannel activation solution segment also contributed to the overall growth. This grew at 9% and reached INR 3,477 million in FY 24-25. This balanced growth across our key segments demonstrates the strength as well as the breadth and depth of our offerings. FY 24-25 was also marked by significant strategic achievement. Indegene successfully achieved zero debt status following the repayment of all the outstanding loans, providing a strong financial foundation for future growth. We have also integrated our past acquisitions, Trilogy and Cult Health, reasonably well and are starting to reap benefits of that, evidenced by deal wins in both segments where these two acquisitions operate. We made strong strides on the AI front with the launch of Cortex. We continued a geographical on-ground presence and expansion with addition of offices globally. Spain was an example. In India, we have added delivery center in Hyderabad and should add more locations in the coming quarters. Indegene continues to evaluate and pursue strategic acquisition to strengthen its suite of offerings and fill capability gaps. Now, Let's go a bit beyond business. We are very proud of our progress on CSR and ESG. Our efforts have earned us a silver rating from EcoVadis, placing Indegene among the top 15% and 93 percentile. Another key accolade was Indegene was awarded a platinum rating by CyberVadis for a robust cybersecurity and risk management practices. We scored 991 on 1000, well above the 2025 industry benchmark score of 654, with a perfect score in data privacy. Our strategic partnership with, on the CSR side, our strategic partnership with reputed organizations like CCAMP, ISC, Plaksha University reflect our commitment to give back to community, accelerate deep science innovation, and strengthen India's healthcare ecosystem. Now, as we look at the current year, FY 25-26, our focus remains on strong, sustainable, profitable growth, driving innovation, expanding our footprint, and deepening client relationships. We will continue to build our AI strengths and deep expertise in life sciences commercialization. We'll do this by bringing new solutions to address the evolving challenges in the healthcare ecosystem. We will continue to pursue strategic and transformational engagements with our customers and focus our pipeline on building our pipeline. These transformation engagements as well as M&A will be an important focus for us in the next couple of quarters. The outlook for 25-26 is positive, with the Indegene well positioned to capitalize on the favorable market trends and the increasing demands for its specialized services. The company's strong financial foundation, innovative solutions, and dedicated team provide a strong, solid platform for sustained growth and value creation. The management of Indegene extends its sincere appreciation to all its clients for their trust and partnership, to all the partners for their valuable collaboration, and most importantly, to all employees for their hard work, dedication, contribution, and to the company's success. Their collective efforts have been instrumental in achieving the milestones of FY 24-25 and also will be the foundation for our bright future. With the support of our stakeholders, we'll continue to push boundaries and unlock new opportunities, shaping the future of healthcare and delivering lasting value to all our stakeholders. With that, I would like to wrap up the discussion for today. We are happy to take any questions you have. Once again, thank you so much for all your unwavering trust and support. With that, I'll pass it back to you, Srishti, to provide a summary.
Thank you, Manish. The statutory auditors, BSR & Co. LLP, have issued an unqualified opinion on the standalone and consolidated financial statements of the company. The statutory auditors' report on the standalone and consolidated financial statements, respectively, are available on page numbers 180 and 248 of the annual report. There is a qualification in the secretarial audit report. The secretarial auditor's report is enclosed as Annexure 3 to the board report on page number 93 of this year's annual report. The management's response to the same is also provided along with Annexure 3 on page number 95. Since the notice has already been circulated to the shareholders, we will take the notice convening this AGM as read. We will now take up the resolutions as set forth in the notice, and after that we will open the floors for any question by the shareholders with regard to the resolutions that are tabled. Accordingly, I will now read out the resolutions. Item number 1, adoption of financial statements. The financial statements of the company, including the consolidated financial statements for the financial year ended March 31, 2025, and the reports of the Board of Directors and Auditors have already been provided to the shareholders. Item number 2, declaration of final dividend. Item number 3, appointment of Mr. Mark Francis Jaga, DIN 00955-485, as a director liable to retire by rotation. Appointment of Dr. Rajesh Bhaskaran Nair, DIN 0021-9269, as a director liable to retire by rotation. Appointment of Deloitte Haskins & Sells, Chartered Accountants as statutory auditors of the company. Item number 6, appointment of Madhvesh Pratap and Associates as secretarial auditors of the company. Item number 7, approval of continuation of directorship of Dr. Georgia Nicola Kopulu Papa Thomas, Independent Director, in term of Regulation 17(1)A of the Securities and Exchange Board of India, Listing Obligations and Disclosure Requirements, Regulations 2015. Item number 8, reappointment of Dr. Georgia Papa Thomas as an Independent Director. The text of these resolutions, along with the explanatory statements, are provided in the notice circulated to the shareholders. We will now move on to the Q&A session. Moderator, over to you.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll now begin with the question and answer session. I invite our first speaker shareholder, Mr. Manjeet Singh. Kindly unmute your audio and video and proceed with your question. Manjeet Singh, kindly accept the prompt. Unmute your audio and video and proceed with your question.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, go ahead.
कंपनी की मैनेजमेंट टीम, कैपिटल टीम और माय को शेयर होल्डर, मैं सभी का स्वागत करता हूं। हमारी कंपनी अच्छी तरक्की करे, इस तरफ प्रोग्रेस करे, तो इसमें हमें कोई रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट पर कोई खर्चा करना पड़ता है। थोड़ा आप इस बारे में
Sure. Is there anything?
जुड़ पाए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैनेजमेंट टीम। थैंक यू फॉर द सेक्रेटरी।
To our next speaker shareholder, Mr. Gagan Kumar. Kindly accept the prompt and video and proceed with your question. Gagan Kumar, kindly accept the prompt and join as a please unmute your audio and video and proceed with your question.
Am I audible? Yeah. Good evening, and fellow shareholders. Myself, Gagan Kumar. I'm joining this meeting from. As far as the agenda of this meeting is concerned, I already supported. My question to the management is that how is our company is with the competitors and where we stand in terms of. Second question is that what is our value creation role 3 years, and it would be unfair on my high corporate governance under the leadership of our CFO secretarial team. Thank you so much for this opportunity to see a healthy growth in the business, in the size of the company. Best wishes from my side to all, as well as to the shareholders. Thank you.
Thank you.
Our next speaker shareholder is Pramod Kumar Jain. Kindly accept the prompt. Pramod Kumar Jain, kindly unmute the audio and video and proceed with the. Yes, sir, go ahead.
जी नमस्कार, मैं प्रमोद जैन दिल्ली से। चेयरमैन सर, डिपार्टमेंट का बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं जो आपने इस एजीएम में मुझे बोलने का अवसर दिया और आज के प्रस्तावित सभी रेजोल्यूशन। सर, हमें आपकी लीडरशिप पे पूरा की स्पीच में कंपनी के वर्तमान भविष्य के बारे में विस्तार से बता दिया है। हमें पूछने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं। हमारी कंपनी दिन दूनी रात चौगुनी तरक्की करेगी ऐसी उम्मीद है। कुछ ही समय बाद हमारा शेयर प्राइस देगा, ऐसी मैं मंगल कामना करता हूं। आपके पूरे लीडरशिप, पूरे सेक्टर डिपार्टमेंट ने हमें इस एजीएम में बोलने का अवसर दिया और यह इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे हमें जुड़ने का मौका दिया।
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Co-shareholder, Mr. Sarvajit Singh, kindly accept the prompt and join as panelist. Video and proceed with your question, please. Sarvajit Singh, go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, sir, go ahead.
To you, all the board of directors, all the staff of Indegene Limited and my co-pilot. सर, जिस तरीके से आपने अपनी ओपनिंग रिमार्क्स में हमें कंपनी के बारे में बताया और सर आप इस तरीके से समझाया कि सर हमें पूरा आराम से समझ में आया कि हमारी कंपनी क्या क्या अचीवमेंट कर रही है। बाकी चेयरमैन सर, जिस तरीके से
हाँ, माननीय सभापति जी, उपस्थित निर्देशक, अधिकारी और कर्मचारी गण, मैं संतोष कुमार साहब तरह से आप सभी को राम राम कहता हूँ। भाई डायरेक्टर जितने हैं इसमें अच्छे स्वास्थ्य में सर, उन कर्मचारी भाई बहनों का आभार प्रकट करता है जिनकी संख्या करीबन 5 का फल है कि आज हमारी कंपनी इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट कर रही है। उसके बाद उनकी फैमिली का भी आभार प्रकट के रूप में उनके साथ काम खड़ी रहती है, जिससे कार्य पूर्ण क्षमता के साथ में हम कर सकते हैं सर।